Good morning, students. In this maths class, we are going to learn Term 2, Unit 1, Geometry. Already in first term, we learnt the properties of 2D objects: square, rectangle, parallelogram, and rhombus. And the properties of 3D shapes: cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, cylinder. Do you remember that? Okay, just we recall that. 2D means two-dimensional figure or object. It has length and breadth only. Examples of 2D shapes are square, rectangle, triangle, circle, etc. And 3D shapes means three-dimensional figure or object. It has length, breadth and width. Examples of 3D shapes are cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, cylinder, etc. Okay, today we are going to learn about symmetry and line of symmetry. Okay, what is mean by symmetry? The figure which can be divided into two parts of equal shape and size are called symmetrical figure. For example, wings of butterflies, human beings, and leaves. The two halves of the figures are the mirror images of each other. For example, if we stand in front of the mirror, we can see our same size of figure but in the opposite direction. Okay, now in your book, page number 2, here they have given some examples. You see here these pictures are example of the mirror shape. And one activity has given. Here left side figure is given, right side figure, that mirror symmetry figure we have to draw. This is a homework for you. Next topic is line of symmetry. The line of symmetry which divides a figure into two equal halves is called the line of symmetry. For example, this line divides the figure into two equal halves. So, this line is called line of symmetry. The line of symmetry can be denoted as dotted line. Page number 3. Here they have given some geometrical shapes and its line of symmetry also given. First figure is square. Square has 4 line of symmetry. You see here, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So square has 4 lines of symmetry. Next, rectangle. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. And circle. Circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Infinite means uncountable. It has more than line of symmetry. Next, an equilateral triangle. It has 3 lines of symmetry. Okay children, just we recall the lesson. In this lesson, we learnt about symmetrical figure and lines of symmetry. What is symmetry? The figure which can be divided into two parts of equal shape and size are called symmetrical figure. Line of symmetry means the line which divides a figure into two equal halves is called the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry can be denoted as dotted line. Okay students, take your book, page number 4, exercise 1.1. Here draw the mirror images. Left side figure is given, right side you have to draw the same figure. Okay, this is a homework for you. In the same manner, exercise 1.2. Here draw the lines of symmetry in each of the following figures. Here some figures have given. We have to draw the lines of symmetry. and down also how many lines of symmetry for the following figures. Here you have to draw the lines of symmetry and you have to count and write how many lines of symmetries are there. Okay, next page number 6, exercise 1.3. Which of the following figure is symmetrical about dotted line? Here some figures have given and the symmetry lines also given. We have to find out which figure is a symmetrical figure about the dotted lines. And here some questions also here. These questions you have to read and write the answer. Very easy questions. Once we read means we can find the answer easily. So this is a homework for you. Okay children, thank you. We will meet in the next class.